Welcome, fellow weirdos. I'm your host, Papa Za. Here at Weird Wild Pizza, we make weird pizza with wild sourdough. Check out the link below for our pizza dough recipe. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell to join the weirdest pizza quest in the galaxy.
Today we're making a hot Cheeto mac and cheese pizza. Woo!
Hot Cheeto mac and cheese. Boil 6 cups of water on high heat. Add noodles. Cook for 7 minutes or until done, stirring occasionally. Turn off the heat and strain the noodles over the sink. Add them back to that pot and add some butter. Add your milk. Add your Cheetos seasoning. Mix it very well. Hot Cheeto mac and cheese. Let's give it a shot. Ooh, that's hot. Flour. Roll dough. Flour lightly as needed. It might be a bit sticky. Flour your pizza peel and slide it under the dough. Add 2 cups of hot Cheeto mac and cheese. And 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. Pat it down. Bake at 550 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Hot Cheeto mac and cheese pizza. We got a hot Cheeto mac and cheese pizza. Still pretty spicy, but with all that cheese and on a pizza, it's actually really good. Heat creeps in a little bit, but still pretty rockin'. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. If you got a pizza challenge, leave in the comments below. And don't forget to check out what's up next.